question number 2, the part is 3. Minus 1 is 0 of the polynomial px 2x3 plus 5hx minus 23. Let px is equal to, this is the polynomial, 2x3. Now x square is not present here, we write this 0x square plus 5hx and minus 23. And minus 1 is the 0 of the polynomial. Now we write the coefficient of dividend in row and write the 0 of the polynomial on left side. Now write the coefficient of. The coefficient of cube is 2 and x square is 0 and x is 5h and remainder and the constant term is minus 23. Now this. And we write 0 of the polynomial minus 1 here. Now same as 2 here, minus 1 multiplied by 2, minus 2, and this plus this minus 2, and minus 1 multiplied by minus 2, we get 2, we write plus this, add this 5h plus 2. Again we multiply with this minus 5h and this minus 2, minus 1 multiply this and this, we get this. And now we add this minus 5h minus 25, minus 23 minus 2 minus 25, as quotient is equal to 2x square and minus 2x plus 5h plus 2, and the remainder is minus 5h and minus 25, as minus 1 is the 0 of the polynomial so put r is equal to 0. Now put r is equal to 0. Now we write here r is equal to 0 and remainder is minus 5h minus 25 is equal to 0. Now we write this minus 5h and is equal to 25 and h is equal to 25 over minus 5 is equal to minus 5. Now at the value of h is equal to minus 5. Now we have find this is equal to minus 5. Now we will start question number 3. Now the question number 3 is, this is the question number 3. The question number 3 is like this: use synthetic division to find the value of L and M. If x plus 3 and x minus 2 are the factor of the polynomial Now the px, let px is equal to x3 and plus 4x square and plus 2lx, 2lx, 2lx plus m. Now we write the x3, 4x square plus 2lx plus m. Now we have write the px. This is our polynomial, and x plus 3 as x plus 3 is equal to 0, and here, and x is equal to minus 3, and x minus 2 is equal to 0, here x is equal to 2, as minus 3 and 2 are the zero of the polynomial, or zero of the polynomial because x plus 3 and x minus 2 are the factor of polynomial. Now we write here, first we write the coefficient of in a row form. Write coefficient of dividend in row form, and 0 of the polynomial on the left side. Again we write this. Now the coefficient of polynomial is 1 x3 and 4 and 2l and plus m. Now 0 of the polynomial first is minus 3. Here write here 1, this one, minus 3 multiply 1, minus 3, and we add this to get plus, minus 3 multiply by 1, minus 3, and we add this 2l minus 3, this multiply with this, and here we write minus 6l and minus multiply minus 3 plus 9 this, and this 6l. Now we add this minus 6l plus m and plus 9 as qx is equal to x square plus x and plus 2l minus 3. Now remainder r is equal to 0 we put, and we write here also minus 6l plus m plus 9 is equal to 0. Now we write on the left side minus 6l plus m is equal to minus 9. This is our first equation. Now we again write the coefficient of polynomial, because we will find the remainder of second 0, and second 0 is 2, and second is 2. Now again the polynomial coefficient of polynomial is 1 here, 4, 2l and m. Now again we write the second 0 of the polynomial is 2. Yes, 2. Now again this here 1 and 2 ones are 2, here 6, this 6, and 2 6 are 12, here 2l plus 12, and again to multiply with this 4l plus 24. We write here 4l plus m plus 24. Now here qx, this is the quotient, x square plus 6x and plus 2l plus 12. This is the constant. Now remainder is r is equal to, r is 4l and plus m plus 24 as we write r is equal to 0 because 2 is the 0 of the polynomial. 2 is the 0 of the polynomial. So we write next page on this. Now r is equal to 0. We write here 4l and plus m plus 24 is equal to 0. Now this 24 will go to the right side. 4l plus m minus 24. It is our second equation. Now we write first and second equation altogether. The first equation is minus 6l and plus m is equal to minus 9. This is our first. And we write the second, minus plus 4l, this 4l and plus m is equal to minus 24. Now this is our first, this is our second. Now we want to, this is easiest to eliminate this m. We subtract this from 1. We write here, we subtract 2 from 1. We get again minus 6l plus m and is equal to minus 9 and 4l plus m is equal to minus 24, and we subtract this. This is 1 and this is second. We write this, we change the sign of the second equation. Now minus, this is also minus, this is plus. Now this will cancel. This plus m, this is minus m. We write here minus 10l is equal to, now we write this minus 24 plus 9, here minus plus 15, this plus 15. Now l is equal to 15 over minus 10 is equal to 3 over 2, minus 3 over 2. Now we put l in 1 in this by putting minus 3 over 2 and 1. Now putting the value of L is equal to minus 3 over 2 n 1. Now we write the one equation, minus 6l plus m is equal to minus 9. Now we write here, put this value in this, minus 6 into minus 3 over 2 and plus m is equal to minus 9. This multiply with this, and 2 1s are 2 3s are this, and this 3 3s are 9. This 3 3s are 9 plus m is equal to minus 9, and 9 will go to the right side, and m is equal to minus 9 and minus 9, and m is equal to minus 18. Now L is equal to minus 3 by 2. Now L is equal to minus 3 by 2 and m is equal to minus 18. Now this is the solution of first of the part of this question. Now we write the second part of this question. Now the second part of this question is this. We write again the question part. This is second part. Now x minus 1, this is the second part of the question. X minus 1 and x plus 1 are the factor of the polynomial is equal to, now x3 and minus 3lx square and plus 2mx plus 2mx plus 6. Now again x3 minus 2l x square plus 2mx plus 6. X minus 1 and x plus 1 are the 0 of the pole. Now factor. Now we let px is equal to x3 minus 3lx square plus 2mx plus 6 and x minus 1 and x minus 2 x minus 1 and x plus 1 are the factors of the px, this px. Now again we write the coefficient of write the coefficient of px of dividend in row and as x minus 1 is equal to 0 or here x equal to 1 and x plus 1 is equal to 0 or here x is equal to minus 1. It means 1 and minus 1 are the 0 of the polynomial, this. Now again we write this is our 1, this is 1 x3 minus 3l and 2m and plus 6, this, and we write the coefficient 0 of the polynomial first is equal to 1. Now write 1. This again here come here 1, this 1 multiply 1, we write this 1, we add this minus 3l plus 1, again this 1 multiply with this, we write this minus 3l plus 1, or we write 2 minus 3l plus 2m and plus 1. Again we write this multiply by this here, this multiply 1 multiply this, we write same here minus 3l plus 2m and plus 1. We write the in below this minus 3l plus 2m or is equal to plus 7. Now qx is equal to x square minus 3lx and plus 1 and remainder r is equal to minus 3l plus 2m and plus 7. We write r is equal to 0 because 0 of the polynomial is given. As we write this minus 3l plus 2m and plus 7 is equal to 0 and minus 3l plus 2m is equal to minus 7. This is our first equation. We write again the coefficient of the dividend. This is first x cube and minus 3l x square and 2m and plus 6, this. We write now the 0 of the polynomial, here is minus 1, here is minus 1. Now same as 1, this minus 1 multiply this 1 minus 1, we write here minus 1. It means minus 3l minus 1. Again this minus 1 multiply with this and we write here 3l plus and plus 1. I will write plus then plus 3l plus 2m and plus 1. We again multiply this and we get minus 3l minus 2m and minus 1 is this, and we add this minus 3l minus 2m and plus 6 and minus 1 is and plus 5. Now the quotient is qx is equal to x square minus 3l plus minus 3, this is plus minus 3 l minus 1 is x, and this is the constant term 3l plus 2m and plus 1. Now remainder is minus 3L minus 2M plus 5. R is equal to 0. R is equal to 0 because minus 1 is the 0 of the polynomial. 0 of the polynomial. We write this minus 3L plus minus 2M plus 5 is equal to 0. Minus 3L minus 2M is equal to minus 5. This is our second equation. Now we write first equation and second equation right together. Now first equation is, our first equation is equal to minus 3L and plus 2M is equal to minus 7. This is our first equation. Now second equation we have find minus 3L and minus 2M is equal to 5, is equal to minus 5, is equal to minus 5. Now this is our second equation. Now adding both, adding 1 and 2. We write again minus 3L plus 2M is equal to minus 7 and minus 3L minus 2M is equal to minus 5, adding to this is equal to minus 12, and here this will cancel, and now minus 6L minus this minus will cancel. We write again minus 6L is equal to minus 12, and we write this minus cancel, and L is equal to 12 over 6 is equal to 6 ones are 6 twos are. Now the value of L is 2. Now we put the value of L in 1. Now minus 3 L plus 2M minus 2M is equal to minus 7, and we put the value of L 2, and minus 3 into 2 plus 2M is equal to minus 7, and minus 6 plus 2M is equal to minus 7, and minus 6 go on the right side. 2M is equal to minus 7 plus 6, and 2M is equal to minus 1, and M is equal to minus 1 over 2. Now we have two values here, and we write these values. Now again we write again this minus 3 L plus 2M, and we put the value of 2 here, L, and minus 3 this, and minus 6 this, and plus 2M, and is equal to minus 7 this, and is equal to minus 7 this, is equal to also minus 7, and this will go on the right side, minus 7 plus 6, and write 2M is equal to this, and 2M is equal to minus 1, and M is equal to minus 1 over 2. Now this is the value. Now L is equal to 2 and M is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now here again this is 6L is equal to minus 12, this, and minus will cancel, this 6L and is equal to minus 12. Now minus will cancel this minus, and L is equal to 12 over 6. Now this 6, the 6 ones are 6 twos are, or is equal to 2. Now this is value 2.